everyone, and welcome back to another video from ICP DAS USA. In today's video, we are covering the Modbus RTU 8-channel analog output M-7028. The analog output channels on this module can be configured for 0 to 5 VDC, 5 VDC, 0 to 10 VDC, 10 VDC, 0 to 20 milliamps, and 4 to 20 milliamps. For the setup, the first thing you're going to want to do is switch your module into the INIT mode. Before you can configure the module, please ensure that the switch has been moved to the INIT position or connect the INIT pin to the GND pin. Then power on the module to access the configuration mode. Next, you'll want to be sure to connect the PC and power supply. Please note that you should only connect a single module to the RS-485 during the configuration. Please refer to the diagram shown. The first one is for connecting an RS-232 to RS-485 converter, and the second is connecting a USB to an RS-485 converter. Next, you'll want to download the DCON Utility software from the product page on our website. Once that's downloaded, you can open up the application. Then you can go ahead and set the communication parameters. Click the play icon in the corner, select the desired baud rate and protocol settings, then click Start Search. Once the parameters are set, you can then search for and configure the module. Locate your module and select it, then configure the required settings, and click Set Module Configurations. Once that's complete, the final step in the setup is to reboot the module. Set the module switch from the INIT position to the normal position. Then reboot the module to apply the new configuration. You'll then want to search your module again to confirm that the configuration settings are correct and the module can be detected. Once you have confirmed the settings and detected your module, you have now successfully completed the module setup. If you have any more questions about this device setup or are interested in learning more about products we have to offer, please reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. Our team would love to hear from you. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any questions. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.